This gentle Tai Chi flow helps support calorie burn, balance, and better full body movement. Just follow my guidance and move slowly with me. Exercise 1. Full body flow warm-up.
3, 2, 1, start.
Open the arms slowly as you rise and rotate through the body to warm the muscles and encourage smooth circulation. Keep the movement soft and controlled as you return to center. Exercise 2. Arm and ankle joint flow.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Step one foot back while lifting the hands toward the chest to gently loosen the legs and ankle joints. Move steadily and keep the body relaxed through each side. Exercise 3. Shoulder and hip mobility flow.
3, 2, 1, begin.
Shift your weight smoothly as the arms circle outward to wake up the shoulders and hips. Stay grounded through the standing leg and keep the motion fluid. Exercise 4. Forward reach stretch. 3, 2, 1, go. Reach the hands forward with a gentle bend through the waist to lengthen the back and improve flexibility. Move within a comfortable range and avoid rushing the stretch. Exercise 5. Heel lift and elbow raise. 3, 2, 1. Rise slowly onto the toes while lifting one elbow near the ear to improve coordination and lower body control. Keep the knees soft and the shoulders relaxed. Exercise 6. Coordinated arm and leg flow. 3, 2, 1, go. Step diagonally back as the arms open wide to activate the upper body and improve balance. Let the movement flow naturally from side to side. Exercise 7. Knee lift shoulder stretch. 3, 2, 1. Lift the knee and bring the hands together in front to build stability and awaken the core. Stay tall through the body and move with steady breathing. Exercise 8. Gentle knee mobility.
3, 2, 1, begin.
Bend one knee gently behind you at a time to loosen the knee joints and improve circulation through the legs. Keep the motion light and comfortable. Exercise 9. Shoulder and back joint rotation. 3, 2, 1. Rotate the front arm smoothly while the other hand rests behind the back to release shoulder and upper back tension. Allow the chest to turn naturally with the movement. Exercise 10, balance and heel raise flow.
3, 2, 1.
Slowly rise onto the toes as the hands draw toward the chest to improve balance and body awareness. Stay relaxed and keep the motion steady. Exercise 11, chest opening neck stretch.
3, 2, 1.
Open the arms wide and gently lift the chin to expand the chest and encourage deeper breathing. Move calmly and feel the neck and shoulders relax. Exercise 12, relaxing side step flow.
3, 2, 1. Start.
Step softly to the side as the arms float outward to release tension and calm the body. Keep your breathing smooth and enjoy the relaxed rhythm. Great job today. You took time to move, breathe, and care for your body in a calm and healthy way. Share how you feel after this Tai Chi session in the comments, and let's continue building a gentle, supportive wellness community together.